In late 2023, the New York City Taxi and Limousine Commission, the TLC, established a new short-term storage program which permits drivers and fleets to put their current for hire vehicle, or FHV license, often referred to as TLC plates, in storage once every 2-year renewal period for up to 90 consecutive days. First, make sure your TLC plates are eligible to go into storage by confirming the following. All suspensions must be cleared. No outstanding fines or fees are owed to the TLC. There is no pending plate, base and/or vehicle transfer. You have not already paid your FHV license, and a TLC inspection has not already been scheduled. You also can only put your TLC plates into storage once during its 2-year license cycle. For example, let's say your FHV license expires on July 14, 2024. If you've already paid the $625 renewal fee, or if you haven't paid the renewal fee but it's after July 14, 2024, then you cannot store your TLC plates. Another example. Let's say your FHV license expires on July 14, 2025, but you utilize the storage program in January 2024. You cannot store your TLC plates again until the next 2-year license cycle begins after July 2025. To confirm your TLC plates do not have outstanding settlements or suspensions, you can check your FHV license's status on the TLC UP portal. If you go to the TLC's homepage, click on TLC Online in the top right-hand corner, and then click the TLC UP hyperlink. After entering in the following information: FHV license number, zip code, business EIN, or social security number, you will either get an email confirmation prompt to enter the portal, or you will enter the TLC UP portal after clicking Sign In. In the TLC UP portal, you will clearly be able to check TLC plates, basic information, including FHV license number, license expiration date, base information, insurance policy information, and what VIN is attached to the TLC plate. In the boxes below the first informational box, you can easily check if a TLC plate has any settlements, summons, or suspensions. If everything is clear on TLC UP, we recommend emailing TLC's licensing division at licensing@tlc.nyc.gov, stating your intention to store your FHV license or TLC plates. In addition, attach a same-day screenshot of the TLC UP page and include the time-stamped date. This is not required, but it adds an additional layer of documentation, as the next step will be surrendering your current DMV TLC plate. Once you've confirmed your TLC plates can be stored, the next step is to surrender your TLC plates to the DMV. If you have not surrendered your DMV TLC plates, then the storage option will not be available on the TLC UP portal. If you click on the storage option in the TLC UP tab, you will see a text in red that reads, "At this time, you are not eligible to enter the storage program. Please review the requirements above." Additionally, if you return to the snapshot by clicking on the menu in the top right corner of this screen, you can review if you have any outstanding suspensions or summonses that need to be cleared. If you've determined your FHV license meets the requirement of the storage program, this likely means the last step you need to complete is to surrender your physical plates to the DMV. If you surrender your plates to the DMV in person, they will immediately give you a Form FS6. We recommend making an appointment at a DMV or using a DMV Express service. If you need help finding a DMV Express, please email info@automarketplace.com. Save the FS6 form. Take a picture and send it to yourself. Scan or email it to yourself. After 24 to 48 hours of surrendering your DMV TLC plates, log back into TLC UP and click the storage option from the drop-down menu. Now, you will see there is no red text and you have the option of clicking a yellow Submit button. After you click Submit, green text will confirm your storage request, saying an email will be sent shortly. It's important to save this email and note the deadline date to remove your TLC plate from storage. After you get your FHV license storage confirmation email, send a copy of your DMV plate surrender form and the storage confirmation email to your TLC insurance broker, so your insurance company will cancel your TLC policy and won't continue to charge you. However, remember, unless you've sold your vehicle or you're planning to permanently park your vehicle and not drive, a vehicle must have an active DMV plate and insurance. If you need help with that process, please email info@automarketplace.com. We would recommend starting the TLC plate storage removal process at minimum 2 to 3 weeks before the removal deadline date listed on the storage confirmation email. Whether you're using the same vehicle your TLC plate was attached to before, or attaching your stored TLC plates to another vehicle, the process is very similar. The first step is to reach out to a TLC insurance broker, stating that you are bringing your FHV license out of storage and need a new policy. If you need help finding a TLC insurance broker, you can visit AutoMarketplace.com or email us at info@automarketplace.com. Once you find a broker, you will need to send them the following documents: vehicle title or bill of sale, vehicle's current non-TLC DMV registration, DMV driver's license, New York City TLC driver's license, storage confirmation email, DMV FS6 plate surrender for original TLC plate. After receiving the documents, your TLC insurance broker will issue you new insurance cards after 1 or 2 business days, including FH1, Certificate of Liability, Declaration page. Make sure the VIN, name, and address on the insurance pages exactly matches your vehicle title, bill of sale, or current DMV registration. After you receive your new insurance pages, go to the TLC UP portal and log in by entering in your FHV license number, zip code, and the last 5 digits of your social security number or business EIN. Once logged in, you'll notice under license status, it will most likely say in storage. If your FHV license expired during the storage period, it might say failed to renew. But do not worry if you correctly put your TLC plate in storage, as went over in the first part of this video. Note, if the status is failed to renew, you will need to pay the $625 FHV license renewal fee eventually, but can continue on with this process. If you uncollapse the license snapshot box, you'll also notice the vehicle plate number is zeroed out, and the VIN either zeroed out or attached to the previous VIN before you put your TLC plates into storage. Even if you are putting your TLC plate on the same vehicle you had before, please follow the next steps. In the drop-down menu, click Transfer. Select the plate and vehicle transfer bubble. Enter the VIN of the vehicle you're planning to put your TLC plates on again, which should match the insurance pages. Enter the vehicle mileage and answer the question about whether the vehicle is wheelchair accessible or stretched. Then click Submit. You will also receive a confirmation email shortly after the submission. Usually within 3 to 5 business days, You will receive a confirmation email indicating your TLC transfer is complete, along with a hyperlink to pay via the TLC LARS system. The transfer cost, as of July 2024, is $125. As previously mentioned, if you also need to renew your FHV license, you will also need to pay $625 using the TLC LARS system, but that will be a separate transaction. To pay the $125 transfer fee, go to the TLC LARS and click the menu item, Fees and Return Payments. Then select Existing TLC License. Enter your FHV license number, your mailing zip code, and the last 5 digits of your social security number or business EIN, and click Search. If you've entered this information correctly, please follow the prompts to make payment. After making your payment, you'll receive a confirmation and receipt almost instantly. If you also need to pay the $625 FHV license renewal fee, go to the TLC LARS and click the menu item, Renewal Payment. Then select Vehicle. Now, you must enter your FHV license number, the expiration date of your FHV license, and the last 5 digits of your social security number or business EIN. If you've entered this information correctly, please follow the prompts to make payment. After making your payment, you'll receive a confirmation and receipt almost instantly. After you make the payment, the TLC will email you a DMV plate letter. Also, when you log into the TLC UP portal, you will see the VIN should reflect the vehicle you plan to attach your new TLC plates to. And next to vehicle plate number, you'll see a blue link that says Download Plate Letter. If you want to download the plate letter PDF, you can also click the link. Note: under license status, it will still say in storage or failed to renew if your FHV license expired during the storage period, even though you made the relevant payments. When you open the TLC plate letter PDF, it says you have 20 days to go to a DMV within the 5 boroughs to claim your new TLC plates. Remember, please make an appointment at a DMV in one of New York City's 5 boroughs and bring the following documents with you: driver's license, corporate filing receipt if you're a business, insurance pages, vehicle title, plate letter, credit or debit card to pay approximately $500 for a new DMV registration and plates. Once you receive your new TLC plates and registration from the DMV, you need to notify TLC. You will need to go back to the TLC UP portal and select Plate Notification from the menu drop-down. The correct FHV license number and last 6 of your VIN should be pre-entered, but double-check to make sure the numbers are correct. Then enter your new DMV plate number and click Submit. Note: an email will not be sent to you after you click Submit. However, you will see a new submission under Submission History. After submitting your plate notification form, the TLC will send you an email, usually within a few business days, with your inspection date at TLC's Woodside Inspection Facility. Do not forget to attach the appropriate regulatory stickers, such as a Vision Zero and Clean Air sticker if your vehicle is a hybrid or EV, before going to your appointment. Once you pass your inspection, your vehicle will be added to the active vehicle list either on the same day or next day. The goal of this video is to simplify how to store your NYC TLC plates and remove them from storage. We believe following the steps of this video allows you to do everything yourself without needing to pay someone for help. That being said, if you do need help storing or removing your TLC plates, we offer a $75 service. Simply send us the relevant documents, and we'll handle everything else. For more information about our services, call us at 419-4888 or visit our website. You can also email us at info@automarketplace.com.